Most gardeners believe soil takes years to fix. I believed that too, until I saw microbes explode in less than 3 days using a method so simple it felt almost insulting to modern gardening advice. When crops underperform, the instinct is always to add something: more fertilizer, more amendments, more inputs. But soil rarely fails because it lacks nutrients. It fails because it lacks life. Without active microbes, nutrients stay locked, water movement becomes inefficient, and roots struggle even in rich soil. Amish growers understood this long before soil tests existed. They focused on activating biology, not chasing deficiencies. So, the Amish approach. It's not really about feeding the plants directly. Instead, it's about, waking up those dormant microbial communities that are already present in the soil. Once these microbes are active, they go to work, mobilizing minerals, regulating moisture, and building soil structure all on their own. The soil, honestly, just becomes productive without the need for constant intervention. And this, really, is why their fields remain fertile year after year without relying on chemicals. So microbes need 3 things to multiply fast: moisture, warmth, and easily available carbon. Most gardens have the first 2. Carbon is what's missing. The Amish solution provides that carbon in a gentle, balanced way that avoids shocking the soil. The result is visible activity within days instead of seasons. Alright, so here's what you do. Mix 1 tablespoon of unsulfured blackstrap molasses into 1 gallon of non-chlorinated water. Then, just stir thoroughly until it's fully dissolved. Now apply this solution directly to the soil surface around your plants, or even across empty beds. After that, water it in lightly so it penetrates the top few inches. For compacted or lifeless soil, you'll want to repeat this process once after 7 days. But do not apply more frequently. Molasses is not fertilizer. It's microbial fuel. Just a small amount, creates rapid population growth without throwing things out of balance. Too much, though, overwhelms the system and, causes oxygen depletion. The Amish method works because it respects soil limits, rather than forcing results. Less input, better outcome. Bacteria populations surge first, breaking down organic matter and releasing nutrients. Fungi follow, extending networks that move water and minerals efficiently. Soil aggregates begin forming, improving structure and airflow. Roots encounter less resistance and begin expanding faster. Plants respond not with sudden growth but with deeper color and stronger posture. Once microbes are active, they continuously convert existing organic matter into plant-available nutrition. Compost, mulch, and even old root material become part of a slow-release system. Instead of feeding plants, you maintain microbial habitat. This is why Amish soil improves with age instead of degrading. This method works exceptionally well in containers because, biology is easier to control. Large pots filled with compost-rich soil respond quickly. The microbial boost improves moisture retention and nutrient cycling, making container plants more productive with less feeding. Because there is no digging involved, fungal networks remain intact, increasing long-term efficiency. Mulch, protects microbes from temperature swings and moisture loss. Straw, wood chips, or even shredded leaves, they create a stable surface environment where biology really thrives. When you combine mulch with the molasses solution, microbial activity stays elevated for weeks instead of just days. This, in turn, transforms soil into a living system, not just a simple growing medium. Chlorinated water kills microbes. Always allow tap water to sit uncovered for 24 hours before use. Synthetic fertilizers disrupt microbial balance and undo progress. Over-application suffocates soil life. The Amish method works because it is gentle, restrained, and consistent. You know, restraint is the secret most gardeners miss. Chemical fertilizers deliver immediate visual results, but, well, they degrade soil biology over time. The Amish never chase speed. They chase sustainability. Their soil methods fell out of favor because, honestly, they cannot be packaged, branded, or scaled for profit. Yet they outperform modern systems over decades. Begin by activating microbes with the molasses solution. Follow with compost additions instead of fertilizers. Mulch heavily. Water consistently. Within 1 season, soil structure improves, and within 2 seasons, plants require minimal intervention. This is how soil becomes self-sustaining. Apply during warm soil conditions when plants are actively growing. Early morning or evening works best. Stop applications when temperatures cool and growth slows. Resume the following season as needed. So microbial systems, they really thrive on rhythm, not on constant stimulation. Once soil becomes alive, plants stop needing rescue. Growth becomes steady instead of erratic. Harvests improve without effort. The garden works with you instead of demanding more from you. That is the real Amish secret. If this changed how you think about soil, subscribe to Nature's Blueprint and share this with a gardener who's still feeding plants instead of building life beneath them.